What's up guys, this is Aadit from Tech is Easy, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Windows 10 free video editor. So I'm not sure how many of you all know about it or have gone through your PC, but every Windows 10 laptop, it does have a built-in video editor. And this is obviously free and doesn't have any watermark. And this can be used for many things, like making a slideshow or even editing proper videos. So many of my YouTube videos I've edited on that, and then there are many other uses and I'll show you all of them in the video. And I'm sure if you've searched online for video editors for the PC, you'd have found many of them which are extremely advanced and confusing to use, or some which are expensive, but this one I feel is a perfect balance. Like I mentioned earlier, you have many features in this video editor, like adding text, effects, or zooming in and out, or even changing the speed of a video. You have all of those options in this. So let's get started. First, just go to your desktop, then click on the start button, which is on the bottom left. After that, you've got to search for video editor. So this is the built-in video editor, and just click on it to open it. So this is the first page which you'll see, and from here you can create a video project. So what you can do is just click on new video project. After that, you'll have to name it, and this is the interface of the video editor. So the first thing that we've got to do is import all of the videos or photos into the project library. So over here under the project library, there's an option to add. So just click on that. Then you can decide whether you want to add it from this PC, from the web. So that's up to you. So now as you can see, I have two videos and one photo. Now just select all of them. So click on one and you can just click on this box to select the others. Then you can either drag it down or just click on place in the storyboard. So at the bottom over here is the storyboard. Over here you'll see all of your clips and you can reorder them, and you have tons of options over here. So you can change the duration, text, and I'll show you all of them later. So the first thing which you'll want to do is change the order. So let's say I want to have the photo last. What I can do is just double click on it and drag it till the end. So now I have these two videos, and after that the photo. And over here this box is basically a playback. So all the changes which you make, you can see them over here. So once you've placed all the videos in a certain order, then what you can do is click on trim. So what we're going to do is trim all of the videos quickly. After that, you can see that there are two bars at the beginning and at the end. So to trim it, we've just got to drag this to the start and end of this clip. So you can move it, and then if you want to see if it's the correct spot, you can drag it till the beginning and play it.
What's up, guys?
After that, if you want to split one clip into two, then click on split. After that, you've got to drag this to the point where you want to split this one clip into two. So let's say over here if I want to split it, then I'll just move this over here and click on done. So now as you can see, from 3 clips, we've gotten 4. So once you finish trimming and splitting a video, you can start adding elements to a video like music, title card, text. So the first option is the title card. So just click on that. And this is basically going to be a solid color to change sections of a video. And on top of this, you can add text. So let's say I have 2 sections in my video and it splits at this point over here. What I can do is drag this to the middle. After that, I can add text. So I'll click on text, which is over here. Then over here, you have quite a lot of font options. So you can select which one you like the best. So let's say I select classic. So I've selected that. Now I'll just call this part 2. The next option is the layout. So this is if you want to keep it in the center, then on top or bottom or with a box in the center, this is up to you. So once you select the font and the layout, you can change the background. For that, just click on background over here, and you can select some of the default colors or just click on custom color over here, and you can select the color which you want, and then click on done. And the last option is to change the duration. So currently it's for 3 seconds. And what I can do is just click on duration and then change it to, let's say, 2 seconds. So now it's only going to play for 2 seconds between both of these videos. And once you're done, you can just go to the next clip. And now again, you'll find all of the options over here. So the next option is to add text. So this is similar to the previous one. You can again add any text you want. After that, you can again select the layout. So I'll just keep it on top this time. And after this, you can decide when you want this to appear. And if you want this to appear in the beginning of the video, you can just leave it where it is. And then you've just got to select when you want this to go. So then you'll have to move this end bar And now it'll show for all of this time. The next option is motion. So like I mentioned earlier, you can zoom in, zoom out, move the video to the left, right. There are many options over here. So over here, again, you can select any of these options. The next option is 3D effects. So this is similar to effects in all the other video editors. And over here, you can select any of the effects. So you can also search for them over here. So let's say I put breaking news. You can edit the effect. So if I want to tilt it a bit towards the left, I can do that. And if I want to keep it on the top left of the screen, I can drag it there. So this is basically how it'll look. The next option is filters. So if you want to give a different look to the video, you can select any one of these. So let's say I want to keep it black and white. I'll just keep inky. And now you can see that it's made it black and white. After that, you can change the speed of the video. So if you just click on speed, then you can decide exactly what speed you want. The next option is to remove black bars. So if you have a horizontal and vertical video, you'll see that the vertical one has black bars on its sides. So if you want to remove that, just click on this and then you can click on remove black bars. Then the next option is to rotate a clip. So like I was saying earlier, you can see that they have black bars over here. And again, if I want to remove it, I'll go back and click on remove black bars. But to do that, they'll have to zoom in a bit. After that, the next option is delete a clip. So you'll just have to select the clip which you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this one and the next photo. I'll select them and then just click on delete. And now it's gone. And if you want to get it back, they have undo and redo options on the top. So just click on undo and you're back to where you were. Then the last couple of options are related to audio. So you can add music and mute a video if you want. So to mute a video, you'll see that all of these clips at the bottom, they have an audio icon over here. And if I just click on that, then I can either mute it, increase the volume or decrease it. After that, you can add background music or custom audio. So under background music, they just have some default music. But if you go to custom audio, you can select any songs from your library. Now I've added one audio file and again, you can move it in the timeline. Then I can decide what volume I want to keep it at. So over here, they have a volume icon. And if I click on that, I can reduce the volume or decide if I wanted to fade in and fade out. So fade in and fade out basically means that it's gradually going to increase and decrease the volume towards the beginning and end of the videos. After that, they do have some other options which aren't used that much. So if you click on the three dots, you can duplicate your project, back it up. Then you can also change the layout. So they have two options over here. And that's basically it. So these are all of the tools. And the last option is to export the video. For that, just click on finish video. Then you can decide what quality you want. So they have 540, 720 and 1080p. And one advantage of using this is that it'll export the video in an extremely short time. So I'll just click on export over here. And now you can see that it's exporting. So this is basically how it works. And like I mentioned earlier, I feel that this is perfect for beginners and for small video projects. So I hope this video helped you and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.